Welcome to the VW family. Your Volkswagen is packed with exciting new features that help make it safer, more convenient, and fun to drive. Let's explore your new ID.4. As a new owner, you receive Carefree Coverage that comes standard on all new Volkswagens, which includes complimentary scheduled maintenance for the first 2 years or 20,000 miles. You'll get roadside assistance 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for the first 3 years or 36,000 miles, plus a 4-year or 50,000-mile new vehicle limited warranty. You'll also get the peace of mind knowing you have 8 years or 100,000 miles of limited warranty on your high-voltage battery. Then there's the 5 years of remote access you'll get standard through the myVW app. Remote features let you stay connected to your vehicle whether you are right next to it or miles away. Here, you'll have access to all of your vehicle's information, tutorials, updates, service history, recall notifications, and much more. myVW users can remotely start or stop charge sessions, manage scheduled charge sessions, and double-check your battery state of charge or adjust your target state of charge to best fit your driving needs. If you have battery care mode enabled, your battery's target state of charge will be automatically set to 80%, helping you maximize battery protection and optimize charging time. To achieve a more efficient charge using the maximum amperage that's safely allowed for your EV, you can select Max Charge Current in the Battery Settings menu. Or, if you ever need to limit the electrical load on your local power supply during charging, you can choose Reduced Charge Current, limiting the current to 10 amps. Using an AC charging cable, set your vehicle to automatically unlock your charging cable once the charging cycle is complete. Then, all you have to do is unplug when it's done. In situations where your 12-volt battery is too low for myVW and your ID.4 to communicate, you can help make sure myVW app commands can still happen by enabling energy management. This setting will use energy from the high-voltage battery to help support the remote requests. Note, high-voltage battery usage for remote and other operations will impact the vehicle's driving range. myVW offers so much more. You can also use myVW to find a dealer and schedule service right within the myVW app. When within the parameters, you can also schedule roadside assistance for free. Volkswagen recommends that routine maintenance be performed on your vehicle every 10,000 miles or 12 months, whichever occurs first. Remember, your first 2 maintenance services are included as part of your Carefree Coverage. Your safety matters to us. With 5 years of complimentary, safe and secure emergency services at no additional cost. Plus Nav EV and Plus Speech EV are included with your ID.4 at no additional cost for 3 years. If you haven't already, go ahead and download the myVW app to your device. As a new ID.4 owner, your 2024 Volkswagen ID.4 includes a 3-year Electrify America Pass Plus membership and 500 kilowatt-hours of charging on us. The Electrify America charging plan included with your vehicle comes with the convenience of plug and charge. By activating this feature in the Electrify America app, you can save time when charging. Simply plug in your ID.4 at a DC fast charging or Level 2 public Electrify America station, and once the connection is established, it will start charging. It's as simple as that. Be sure to download the Electrify America mobile app to get started. Your new Volkswagen is also equipped with IQ.DRIVE technology, which provides a number of safety-enhancing features to improve the driving experience. Travel Assist is a feature that combines adaptive cruise control and lane assist to provide semi-automated driving capabilities. The adaptive cruise control feature uses radar sensors and cameras to maintain a set speed while adjusting the distance from the vehicle in front of you. The active blind spot monitor uses sensors to detect vehicles in your blind spot and provides visual and audio alerts, helping you make safer lane changes. Rear traffic alert is designed to assist you when reversing out of parking spaces. Front Assist is an advanced safety-enhancing feature that uses radar technology to monitor the distance from the vehicle ahead. In emergency assist situations, the vehicle will come to a complete stop if the driver becomes unresponsive. Finally, Lane Assist is designed to help you stay centered within your lane. Learn more about IQ.DRIVE at vw.com/IQ. To get the latest information about your Volkswagen, keep an eye in your inbox for your personalized newsletter, VW Go. For more information and tutorials about your vehicle, go to knowyourvw.com or scan the QR code. Welcome to the Volkswagen family. Enjoy the road ahead.